Hi, hello everybody. This is PCDJ version 7. That's not important. What we're gonna do is I've loaded it up and we're gonna find our music and add our music to the thing. So we find our music like we just did, and then we click the little plus thing here. Then we see that it's in our program here down the side. So as you can see, it's all nicely organized into folders. That's because if I bring up my folders and go to my music, you see I've got lots of folders in here, but my main one is how I've organized my thing. So when I first got a computer years ago, I made a 50s to 90s album, an Irish album, and just different categories, as you can see. And some of these categories have like subcategories. So if I bring up this on the side, you see if we go to dance, it's got a hardcore subcategory, it's got a non-commercial subcategory, it's got trance subcategory, drum and bass subcategory, actually I've got some drum and bass here out here. Folk, tis what it is. Love albums, tis what it is. Party albums, pop albums, which is basically different pop artists from A to Z. If I scan like that, you can see W. I ain't quite got to Z yet. Reggae albums, R&B albums, rock albums, top 40 singles from whenever, movies and films, movies and TVs, sorry, and like top 40 albums from whatever year. And that's how I've got it organised. I thought I'd share that because DJs want to know, and that's how I organise, and that's how it's organised in here. As you can see, 50s to 90s, Irish. So it shows up in your DJ program. Your now albums and so on and so forth. So in the DJ section, I've got all the different DJ albums like classic cuts and the nows and CD pool and pro mixes, which is DMC stuff. Actually, I need to relabel that as. Well, actually, I've got DMC and classic cuts and master mix stuff, and these organised, cleaning up a bit and organised. But it's various now albums that aren't. These are like other now albums that aren't part of the actual now 1, 2, 3. These are like love collections and jazz collections, as you can see, and summer hits collections, just other stuff. Number 1 set, everything from 1953 down to 2007. That's like from one of those Master Mix magazines that you can get. So that's how I've organised my music. Just thought I'd share that with anyone that wants to know. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and notification bell. Leave in the comments what videos you'd like me to make. And yeah, I use an older version of Virtual DJ. It's version 7. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.